Welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to restore your Binance Web3 wallet quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Binance application and log in. First, launch the Binance mobile app and log into your account using your credentials if you haven't already. Step 2 is to access the Web3 wallet. Tap on the Wallets tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. By default, you'll be on the Exchange tab. Switch to Web3 by tapping on it and wait for a few seconds for the wallet options to load. Step 3 is to restore your wallet from backup. If you previously back up your wallet key, you should see a restore option appear. Tap on Restore and select Google Drive account where you back up your wallet key. Then, provide the necessary permissions and your Binance Web3 wallet will be restored automatically. Step 4 is to backup before restoring, if necessary. If you see a backup now option instead of restore, it means you haven't backed up your wallet yet. Tap on backup now, choose your Google account and follow the prompts to back up your wallet key. After backing up, follow step 3 to restore your wallet from the Google Drive, which is if you've already previously backed up, click on Restore, select Google Drive, and provide necessary permissions. And that's about it, and that's how you can easily restore your Binance Web3 wallet in just a few steps. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.